to another woolly review with Hayfield Illusion DK. Now, this is 100 grams, which is 285 meters, and it's 100% acrylic. It's in a shade 0311, but we're not here for the colour, we're here for how it feels, how it looks, how it works up. Recommended hook and needle size is a 4mm, and I'm going to give it a go. Now, I have seen how this is worked up, and honestly, my personal preference is that I'm not keen on how it works up. It may well look a lot nicer with crochet than it does the knitting, but I've only seen it worked up with the knitting. How many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But pattern wise, the way it works up, I'm not so keen. But that doesn't mean I've got anything bad to say about how it feels or how it looks. We're here right now to find that out. So the cheapest place that I found this was on Shirley Wools for $1.99 a skein. I apologise. Postman disturbed. As I was saying, I don't know what I was saying. Shirley Wools is the cheapest that I have found this, and it was $1.99 a skein. I apologise if I've just repeated myself. I got all disorientated with the postman. Okay, so this is feeling a little bit rough in the hands. It's not exactly the softest thing I've ever come across. It's not even soft. It is a little bit rough. Now, with it being 100% acrylic, I can't turn around and say, oh, it must be the blur in it. Well, no, there's no blur. It's all acrylic. And we're not judging my stitches here. I'm just working up something for the sake of something. It feels okay in the hands. As it's running between my fingers, it seems okay. It is squeaking on the hook a little bit. Nothing major, thankfully. I know a lot of people like the way this works up, but this is my personal preference. I'm not overly keen. But you won't see it worked up because I'm only doing a little swatch just to check it out for you. So something nice and simple, a row of doubles, a row of singles. It doesn't feel so bad on the skin. It feels softer on the back of my hand than it did running through my hand. It's fine. No problem. No problem. Now, there is fuzz here and there on it, so I'm quite surprised that frogged so well. So I'm going to wrap this up, because this is going into a giveaway, as was originally planned for it. But hook, by the way, if you want one that's similar or your own design, just check out Jelina's Etsy shop down in the description. She's happy to make any. Can always put a name on it, whether it be that way round or that way round, or even 3D. Any design you fancy, she'll work it up for you down in the description. Anyway, on on to the Hayfield. So, would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be quite annoyed if that was the only thing there was left? No. Would I be okay to use it? If I found the right project, would it be alright? I'm going to push this a little bit. I'm going to go to 3.5 for the Hayfield. And that is purely because my personal preference is I don't like the way it's worked up, and it does feel a little bit rough on the hands when using, but when it's worked up it is soft enough that, you know, it's wearable, but it's not my personal taste, but it's okay. For £2 for over 200 metres, almost 300, I would say that was okay. That's all right. But it doesn't quite make it to the 4 Ladybirds for me. So, 3.5. That's my thing. That's the woolly review. Maybe this Illusion review was of some help to you. Maybe. If it was, thumbs up please. If you're willing to have a look at more reviews, there is a playlist, and there's also another one next Thursday. If you'd like to hit the subscribe down below too, right near the thumbs, please go ahead, and maybe I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.